Damn, I'm so poor.
Hello there.
How did you get into my house?
Did you say you are poor?
Yeah.
Well, have you heard of passive income?
No.
Get this. No risk. No more work. Instant money glitch. Easy to start. No sacrifices. You can quit your job right now. More money than you'll ever need. Are you ready to get rich?
Yes, please.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, buy my books and course, I'll make you rich.
Okay. How much is it?
$200,000.
For some time now, finance gurus on the internet have really been simplifying the notion of passive income. They've been making it seem like it's way too easy, and they paint you a picture that you can just follow a couple of steps and never work again. In most of those videos, they direct you to some overpriced course that they convince you it's gonna change your life. And once you buy their course, you find that they are giving you some basic information you can find on the internet for free. I'm sorry to tell you this, but that is a scam, and you should never fall for these creators' tricks. These creators have been multiplying like crazy ever since the financial crisis of 2008 and also after the 2020 coronavirus pandemic. The reason is that during these periods of financial stress, there are a lot of people who are very vulnerable. Lots of people lose their jobs, the future looks uncertain, and many are on the brink of homelessness. It's during this period that people go online to see how they can make some more money to cope with their situations. When they get here, they find gurus whose main purpose is to sell them books and courses that are only aimed at making themselves rich and not the people they are trying to help. This video is meant to look more critically into these finance gurus and influencers and analyze deeply the points they make. I'll look at the risks and sacrifices they hide from these investments and how to identify and evade scams. The truth of the matter is, for you to become rich, you can't sell your time for money. You need to provide value in the market. The value you provide will reward you in the form of profit. Starting a profitable business is the most effective method people use to increase their cash flow. You do this by looking for gaps that are not being satisfied in the market and creating a business around that. Once the business is grown, you can now employ people to work for you, and now you can wait for the profits to be sent to your account every month. The truth of the matter is that this is easier said than done. Making a profitable business is hard, and most businesses fail. We haven't even talked about how much work you need to put in to get the business started, and even the vast amount of capital you'll need. There are also multiple risks involved. Let's say you took a loan to start the business, you might lose all your money if the business fails and will still need to pay back the loan. The bank might come for the things you set as collateral. These are some of the things these influencers won't tell you. Let's also briefly look at the stock market. Yes, it is true you can make money from dividend stocks, but what they don't tell you is that you are gonna have to invest lots and lots of money in that business, and I'm talking about investing millions of dollars. And this is to at least get some dividend that can pay for a month of expenses. Oh, and the money is taxed too. Some people decide to become day traders where they buy and sell stocks, depending on the movement in the market. The truth of the matter is that most traders actually lose money trying to time the market. Trading itself is not even that passive. Another way people get rich while they sleep is through rent seeking. Take building real estate as an example. You are gonna need a lot of capital to start. You are gonna have to work out legal stuff, and even after it's done, you still have running costs. Those are just a few of the barriers to be faced. There are still more. An influencer looking to sell you something won't be quick to tell you these things. Starting a business that doesn't require your active participation can be an attractive endeavor, but it also comes with its own set of challenges and risks. Here are some of the key considerations. Let's start with initial investment. Many passive income streams require a significant upfront investment in terms of time, money, or both. For example, if you're investing in real estate, you may need a substantial amount of capital to purchase properties. There's always a learning curve. You may need to acquire new skills or knowledge to successfully manage a passive income business. Whether it's stock market investing, affiliate marketing, or rental property management, there's a learning curve involved. The markets are always volatile. Some passive income streams, like investing in stocks or cryptocurrencies, can be highly volatile. Market downturns can impact your income or even lead to losses. Beware of maintenance. Even passive income streams require some level of maintenance. For instance, rental properties need regular maintenance and oversight, and online businesses often require updates and marketing efforts. There's always competition. Depending on your chosen income stream, you may face stiff competition. The more popular a passive income method is, the harder it can be to stand out and generate consistent profits. Passive income is not always as stable as traditional employment income. It can vary from month to month, making it challenging to budget and plan for expenses. You should look into regulatory and legal issues. Certain passive income methods, such as investing in securities, can be subject to complex regulatory and legal requirements. Failing to comply with these can lead to legal issues. Most people lose their investment. If you've invested a substantial amount of money into your passive income stream, there's a risk that you could lose your investment. For example, if you invest in a business that fails or makes poor investment choices, you could suffer financial losses. Changes in market conditions, consumer preferences, or technology can quickly make a passive income stream obsolete. This risk is especially prevalent in industries with rapid technological advancements. You might not always be in control. In some passive income methods, you may have limited control over the factors that influence your income. For example, as a stock investor, you can't control how the companies you invest in perform. Look for tax implications. Passive income can have different tax implications than earned income. It's important to understand how your income will be taxed and plan accordingly. Beware of scams and fraud. There are scams and fraudulent opportunities in the passive income space. Be cautious and conduct due diligence when evaluating investment or business opportunities. Economic recessions or downturns can affect passive income streams, particularly those tied to investments or consumer spending. To mitigate these challenges and risks, it's crucial to thoroughly research and plan your passive income business, diversify your income sources, and continuously monitor and adapt your strategies as circumstances change. Remember that passive income often requires active management and effort, especially in the initial stages. Most of the passive income ideas you'll hear from influencers actually need you to sacrifice a lot of time and money at the start, and even wait for many months, even years, without seeing any profit from the activity. Lastly, you should really avoid falling into the self-help trap. This is where you never actually take any action. You just keep attending seminars, buying courses, buying books, and repeating that again and again and again. I'm here to tell you that you are just wasting your money and time. First, stop watching those influencers and subscribe to this channel, it's free. Number 2, you need to actually practice what you have learned to be able to get out of this self-help trap. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit that like button if you find this video helpful, and if you have any questions or suggestions, also leave them in the comments section below and tell me what video you'd like to see me do next. I'd love to hear from you. Goodbye.